What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's a REMOVU K1 accessory pack. This thing, the REMOVU K1 is billion times better than the DJI Osmo Pocket. Osmo Pocket is for kids, for real vlogger, for you, real YouTuber, for real people who travel around the world like me, especially to Africa, East Africa, or Micronesia, or Fuji. Then you need this one. But let me keep my mouse closed and then do the unboxing and review of the REMOVU K1 accessory pack. It comes with a premium external microphone. You can use any 3.5mm microphone. Personally, I love to use a Laravel microphone. So a docking station, lens protector, yeah, the REMOVU K1 do not come with any lens protector. It comes with a protector film, lens cleaner, and a wrist strap. Okay, let me open it. Here we go, here we go. Okay, here we go. Nothing much in the box. Okay. I think someone really opened the box, I mean badly, I'm sorry. Someone like mess up the box. Okay, here's the film. I mean, okay, I'm gonna be honest here. I bought open box from Amazon with the camera and the accessory pack. Okay, here is the cleaning cloth. Here is the lens protector which I'm talking about. Let me put the lens protector first. Wow, now it's better. Now it's protecting my. I mean, this is a must buy. If you want to buy the lens protector, I don't think so. You can buy standalone. I can be wrong. Yeah, I mean, literally, I'm happy, to be honest with you. Now I'm happy. Now I can protect my REMOVU K1. This is a docking station to dock and charge, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, you need to be the middle docking station is a must, and it comes with a 3.5mm microphone. Okay, it comes with some kind, I don't know what. Maybe I'm not sure. It comes this one. Okay, microphone. It comes with this kind of windfare. I don't know. Do it come in a box? Because there's nothing written. It comes with some kind of Fury or Windcat. I think so. The seller put it by himself. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. Literally, I have no idea. So you put like this the microphone. Yeah. You need to be the judge. I mean, I'm really very much happy. Oh yeah, the cable I was looking for. Okay. It comes with a docking station, lens protector. Okay, we step this cable. I don't know why. I mean, you buy from Amazon open boxes will be like that. But other than that, okay, this is a nice thing. I mean, this let me put inside. I mean, this is a must to put, right? But where to put? Okay, let me remove the battery. So yeah, this is a review of the docking station, the accessory pack. I'm literally very much happy. You must buy the REMOVU K1. Subscribe and bye.